Guys, how you doing? My name is Deepak Shukla and I wanted to welcome you to this video because if you are in and on the lookout for a free SEO course, then I'd love to show you a course that I've got to share with you today. So this is dedicated to any of you guys who are ultimately looking to build your own SEO. You may well be part of a big business, you may be a bedroom business, and really I think the most critical thing actually is when you get into the realms of SEO, it's about looking at the quick wins and the things that you can do to potentially support the actual agency or individual that you may be working with. So my name is Deepak Shukla. As I said, I run an SEO agency called Pearl Lemon. I'll go to our site right now. And really what I wanted to talk you through is to point you first of all towards our actual blog in terms of content. So as you can see here, we've got an incredible series of 100+ pieces of content that relate to the space of SEO. We've got stuff about CBD marketing, we've got about a guide to negative article removal, we've got actually the importance of personal branding, we've got a whole load of things here for dentists, multilingual SEO, vape store SEO, SEO for gambling sites, improving your local SEO, e-commerce description. So we've got tons and tons of great content on our site. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because it's really important to get a really good grip of the world and space of SEO. But then alongside that, one of the other things that we do have, and I do have exclusively, is that if you do choose to engage with an SEO agency, one of the things that we often get asked is, how can we help support you? How can we help you actually do your job most effectively? So that's what I wanted to point you towards right now. So on this site, you can see here, this is courses.deepakshukla.com. So let me just write that out for you. It's come in here, it's coming here. It is courses.deepakshukla.com. And I'm going to put this in the description for this, free SEO course insight, because what I really want to show you, there you go, courses.deepakshukla.com, is that I've got a really actionable and easy guide that you can use to actually support your own SEO journey. So one of the biggest things with this is actually the problem of implementation, of course. So this is where the accountability, the motivation, and the quick talking, start doing comes into play, okay? This is then, if we go over here to rapid fire SEO wins, okay? So this is the free SEO training that we've got in mind. So as we can see, you go into here, this is dedicated to, as we'll read, designed for SEO clients of Pearl Lemon, but it's a free training course and it really is for absolutely anybody who's looking to get their handle on how they can support, your SEO expert. So for the DIY guys, there's a ton of content over on the Pearl Lemon blog. As you can see, it just goes on, and I just really recommend you having a look at some of the things that you can do here. You got App Store optimization, UK US basics, the Google Local SEO 3-pack. You've got WordPress sites. Why is SEO important for e-commerce? You've got the Big Pearl Lemon guide for restaurants, and it only keeps on actually continuing in terms of the content that we have got for yourselves here. So as you can see, we've got a whole series of actual guides, which is fantastic. And then beyond this, if we carry on back to here, you'll notice that we've got in this section quick SEO wins as an intro. We've got Quora expert positioning and repurposing framework to grow 100% a month. This is like an amazing insight into the world of Quora. So we've got how to do keyword research intelligently for your content calendar. I've got a 5-minute guide here. And again, this is all absolutely free for you to go on and actually get into. We've got newsjacking in 5 minutes and producing content that's hot right now, okay? Then we've got the space of online reputation management, okay? We've got YouTube content calendars, SEO and domination in the space of YouTube. We've got local Google My Business SEO. We've got local SEO checks. We've got understanding on-page SEO, H1s, H2s, H3s and 4s, and getting into Google's featured snippets. We've got rank on page 1 of Google using Quora for 3 to 10 keywords in 14 days. So this is a really interesting process that you can follow. We've got blog and forum commenting strategies, as well as finding errors in Search Console, quickly improve the best and worst performing platforms, as well as other blogging platforms. So this is a course that will continue to be updated, and this is really actionable, really straightforward to follow, and again, just focuses on those things that you can do to support the work of the SEO team that you're working with, okay? Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We've got 14 videos here. It may well have increased by the time that you get here. So my name's Deepak Shukla. Our agency is Pearl Lemon. Please do, of course, check us out and check out the content that we've got here. It's completely free again. I've got a 65,000 word newsletter here that you can also go ahead and check out that talks about how we built our agency, as well as, of course, this free SEO course for you people. Thanks.